In this tutorial, what I'm going to do is show you the advantage of using the pause button or Alt-D, which is the keyboard shortcut, to help you create smoother looking screencasts. So let's go ahead and pretend like we're working on this Engage interaction, and I'm going to show you something. So we're in Engage right now. What we want to do is click on Preview. So I'm going to click on the Preview button, and now what you notice is the previews being installed and all of that. And then lo and behold, this window doesn't open up where I want it to, so now I have to drag it in here. And that all looks kind of sloppy. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do it, and I'm going to use the pause button, and you can see how much smoother you can make it look. Okay, now we're going to start from scratch again. So we're looking at this Engage interaction, and the next thing we want to do is we want to go to Preview. And what will happen is the preview will load up, and you'll be able to see your interaction. Now if you notice, what I did was, let me close this out. What I did was I leave a cue. So I say I'm going to go ahead and click on the preview button, and as soon as I say that, I leave a slight pause, and then I hit Alt-D, and then that'll pause it, and then I just let everything load up. I position everything the way I want it to be. When I'm ready, I hit Alt-D again, and that unpauses it, and everything starts recording. And you get a much smoother and cleaner looking screencast that way. And you probably save some time if you're doing a lot of windows that are opening and closing or having to publish e-learning courses or things like that.